Hey, it's your girl Honey, the Organic Deity. Hi, my ODs. Got some crunchy fried chicken, organic veggies, peppers, jalapenos, celery. I got some corn cucumbers, all organic, and celery. I got some ranch, a spot of ranch. I got this special organic classic barbecue organic sauce by Primal Kitchen. I sweetened it up myself though. I mixed it with another barbecue sauce. And I got the organic habanero on deck, smoky chipotle. And to drink, we got some icy cold organic lemonade with extra organic lemons in it. And of course, I got my tea on the side. And it's hot and ready. I'm gonna tell you about this tea. I'll be back. I gotta cut down Tia. Because I was watching Tia Mowry and her family. I kind of turned it down. Let me cut this air off because I want my food to get cold. And I love it because then make it hot, make it iced. I'm gonna use one of these stickers to shut leftovers. All right, I'm back. Your girl Honey, she is back. Also, let's give thanks. And I pray for everyone. I pray everyone has food. I pray to God you're healthy, you're safe, and if we catch the coronavirus, we just make it out alive on the other end. So that's all I can say. Because I've been seeing people making it through, them and their whole family. And God bless those, and may those rest in peace who have succumbed. I wish in God's name it didn't have to be that way. But let's drop and give thanks. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. I pray it's clean, safe, and healthy to eat. Praise Mother Earth for her production. And may the chicken rest. I'm thankful and grateful to be able to eat. And I praise and thank you. May it nourish the body. And I'm so grateful. In your name, amen. So, the chicken I threw back in the oven because it's extra cool. I don't even see everything. Because I'm using my iPhone. And then I'm just going to put some, like a gel, just a curl gel in there. And just kind of curl it up. Mm-hmm. Air dry. But instead of keeping it really wet, I'm just going to find one of these t-shirts. Also, I didn't get no lemon, so I don't have any lemon. So I was gonna make my homemade organic lemon sauce, but I don't have any. And I was gonna make some organic, where's the gnat fly? Organic, Beloved's sauce, vegan, with vegetable broth. But all vegetable broth was sold out, so I wasn't able to make either one. But this stuff is the bomb. Some for y'all, some for your girls. That is hot. Woo hoo. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and the news more than usual. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, ODs. Them cucumbers is lit. I got the little baby one. Some for y'all. I love juicy organic celery. Red peppers are so sweet. I'll be right back. She's too loud. Sorry. I had to shut her all the way kind of down. Down. I've been up since 5:30 this morning. Mm-hmm.
see everything. Ooh, that is tart. That is extra tart. That is delicious. I haven't had chicken in a month. Fried chicken. Some fried chicken in about a month. And it tastes really good. That skin is just amazing. It's yummy. You enjoy me? Long bone. Excuse me. Ugh. Mm. 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 I don't eat the gristle. Some people do, like QT. Everything on the chicken is going down. everything. I got some ranch. That's always loaded with water. Y'all. Some of your honey. That was good. Here, y'all help me eat it. Here's some more veggies. Some more sauce. Where was the wine? I'm sleepy now. I'm straight sleepy. gonna be honest with y'all. I don't think I will ever, unless my family's life was threatened, I would ever eat a whole chicken. Shout out to the ladies that can down a whole entire chicken. Unless that's all I ate was just a chicken. No, nothing to drink, no, nothing else. No sides of any kind. But shout out to y'all the little ladies and all the ladies that be eating like a lot of food in a short matter of time. Like they can eat a whole chicken in 5 minutes. Shout out to you. Shout out. Also speaking of shout outs, I want to give a shout out to all the new ODs. Welcome to Organic Deity. You are an official organic deity, which means you're an official organic god or goddess. As well as I want to shout out to a young lady that's working hard, and I believe she's out of the UK. She's a rapper, a lyricist, and I believe she also makes her own beats. And her name is Tez Nubian Queen. You can check her out. Her music is currently spinning on Instagram. Tez, Tez, Nubian, Nubien, I believe. Queen, Queen. So check out Tez Nubian Queen. I think if you like a mood, like she puts you in a good mood. I think a good vibe. She's chill. Her music is chill, relaxing. She's got some dope beats. So y'all show her some love, because she is putting in the work. And yeah, I'm trying my best to do the same. Keep picking up the camera and recording and giving time to y'all. As I watch other YouTubers, I keep the TV going even when I'm gone. I've been keeping the programs going. So folks is making money off of, I'm watching the whole ads. Well, the whole ads are playing. I'm not watching them if I'm not here, but they're playing, as the videos go. So folks is making money off of me just doing that. Sorry to be so greedy on the lemonade, but I killed it. Because as y'all know, or some of y'all might know, and some of y'all might not know, I love things that are sour. It can be sour gummies, sour patch, as long as it's organic. Lemons, I'll eat the lemons as they are. And lemonade, with extra lemons. I like stuff that's extra crispy, crunchy. I can kill some tortilla chips. All these crunchy veggies, that's where I get my most satisfaction. And of course, tea. This tea is, I pronounce it rooibos or rooibos, or there it is, rooibos. This one, and it's by the brand Numi. But I also stuck in here 2 other tea bags, and it is marvelous. I strongly suggest y'all grab this at Whole Foods. This is orange vanilla 360 organic, and it's also rooibos tea, and it is amazing. It's so fruity. It tastes just like a vanilla orange pop, or it's like some kind of very yummy vanilla orange candy. I can't express to y'all how delicious this tea is. Oh my goodness, it's just, when it hits your tongue, it's just a burst of delight. Especially if you like things that are orange. I don't know a lot of things that are orange, except for like orange sickle, oranges, orange juice. But like if you had any kind of like real fruity orange candy, oh my goodness, this tea is. I have to give a shout out to Whole Foods on that tea, because that's their brand, 365. Shout out to you, Whole Foods. 365, the rooibos. Am I pronouncing that right? Rui? Is it Rui or Rua? Is it Ru? It's R-O-O, Ru, I, boss. I believe B-O-S. Ribos. Anyway, if y'all know the pronunciation, let me know. I'll probably look it up and hear it too. So hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. I know it's a tea that is grown and harvested from Africa. That I know. What part of Africa, I can't remember. But I know it's a caffeine free, or at least the 365 brand is. But that orange vanilla cream, y'all gonna thank me. Watch, y'all gonna thank, yo, mate, honey, man, listen, that tea is fabulous. Fabulous. I promise you. And if not, I'll give you your money back. It would take, and make sure you sweeten it just the right amount of sweetener. Don't under sweeten it, just make it right amount of sweetener. Not like sweet like you're drinking candy, but just underneath what sweet would be for candy. It's really good, unless you like it like that. I like mine sweet, so. But also I use organic agave nectar. And make sure y'all use spring water. That was so yummy. Well, I don't have no more room for the chicken. I'm gonna have to let the stomach do a little settling action, and then I'm gonna come back and do a little more bashing action. And then my veggies, I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in a Pyrex, a glass Pyrex like this one, and pop the lid on and keep them, stick them in the fridge, keep them cold and crispy, because I like them crispy. And the celery was loaded with water. That could be why I'm getting extra full too. I tried this organic barbecue sauce. It was unsweetened. It didn't have any sweetener in it. But what I did was, I had Target's brand organic original barbecue sauce, and it was sweet, super sweet. And I mixed them, and it came out fabulous. So if you do a little mix with this, with a sweeter barbecue, you got your nice little sidekick barbecue. This one is so good. And it's an all organic brand. I got it at Target. Normally I pay like $2.50, $2.69, but this one was a little more pricey. It was like $4.25 or something, or $3.99, something like that. Anyway, it was a little more expensive, but I'm glad I did it because it tastes really good. And I will be making some organic vegan B-Love sauce as soon as I can get my hands on more onions. I gotta go this week, so I'm gonna pick up like 4 onions. I gotta pick up maybe 2 bags of organic garlic, more peppers, more onions in it, load it up nice and thick. I got vegan butter, organic vegan butter, and I just need to pick up some organic vegetable broth, because actually I made the B-Love sauce twice, and the organic vegan came out phenomenal. The flavor was, it was like basically the holy grail of flavors. It was really good, because I guess like the chicken broth and then the chicken, it was just too much. But it came out, when I had the seafood boil, it came out really good on the seafood boil. And speaking of seafood boil, I'm gonna try another one. But I'm gonna make everything fresh that day that I pick it up. Or what I might do is just order some king crab legs and have them sent fresh to me. Because what I experienced wasn't that fresh. And lobster, I know I'm not gonna try it again. I don't like lobster. It's too rubbery for me. So the flavor was fine, but the texture, me and the tail was like, I don't know. I was told a different story than everybody else. Now maybe I'll try it one day, like I said, at a restaurant, or maybe if somebody else cook it and say, well, Tammy, maybe you, I didn't say Tammy, honey, maybe you did it, wrong. I'm thinking my mom calls me Tammy. But anyway, but if someone does say like, honey, try this, or or Tammy, try this. It doesn't matter. I'll answer to both. But anyway, again, if somebody else cooks it or a restaurant or something, or they fry it, then I'll try it. But for me, because it wasn't that much, that I picked out a small one, and it was only $6.90. So it wasn't that expensive. It wasn't like it was like a $20 lobster, because it was not. So maybe that's why it wasn't no good. Maybe because it was so cheap, it wasn't real. But I got it at Kroger, and they said it was legitimate, fresh from the ocean. So I don't know. Even though it was like a seafood boil on a budget, which to me, I was happy with how everything looked and came out, and I followed the recipe. I think one thing with the king crab legs, I should have let them just sit in the pot after boiling for 20 minutes or longer. I should have just let them saute in the seasoned water. Maybe that's where, I'm slucked up. So anyway, the corn was banging, the potatoes was out of sight. Everything else, the veggies were delicious. The beef sauce was phenomenal. The vegan organic beef sauce, it came out. Matter of fact, we kept eating on that. My mom had polished out the last bit of it, like with some other dinner we had cooked. But anyway, it was really, 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 really good. And on that note, and a sip of tea, before I sign out and close this one out, let's say a prayer. Heavenly Father, please watch over each and every one of us human beings on this planet. We are under attack, and we got many casualties, and those that are have succumbed, as well as those who are still fighting, and those who have just begun the journey, and those of us who are here trying to avoid becoming a tragedy or another victim. I pray that there is a cure soon. I pray that maybe they can take antibodies from someone who's healed and put it in someone who's fighting for their life or trying to recover. I pray, God, you watch over their lungs. It's the lungs. Watch over the lungs and do everything to keep their lungs healthy and recover. Keep their lungs strong. Keep their lungs in the fight to recovery. Kind of like the rapper that was down south that had it. Anyway, I just pray for our nation, the world. I pray for each country, women, children, babies, grandparents, mothers, fathers, nieces, nephews, uncles, cousins. I pray for everyone. In your name, I pray you just watch over us. And if we shall be called home because of it, then I just pray that those left behind, our loved ones, friends, and families that care and love us and have loads of memories, I just pray that you give us, you let us find peace in the tragedy. And I just pray that you continue to be heroes. God bless all the doctors, nurses, people on the front line, everyone at the grocery stores, all the truckers that's trucking across America. I pray, Heavenly Father, that you watch over all of them, keep them safe and healthy. And I just pray that the world becomes a stronger and better place for all the survivors. We owe it to our loved ones. Excuse me. I just pray, and I'll continue to pray every day, all day. And in your name, I give thanks. And I'm thankful for everything in my life. In your name, I praise and give you all the glory. Amen. Lots of hugs. Lots of love. Peace. I'll see y'all in the next one.